Hi, I'm attorney Skip Reynolds with Skipton Law here in Centennial, Colorado. And today I want to start a 10-part series talking about mistakes that people make surrounding Medicaid. And so what I'm going to do in this 10-part series, I'm going to talk about one thing in each of these video blogs so that you don't have to watch all of them at one time. You can catch them as you want. But the first one that I want to start with today is I want to talk about failing to pre-plan. And there's really kind of three main ideas here that I like to talk about. One is many people do not buy long-term care insurance. And why do we not buy long-term care insurance? Because we perceive it as being too expensive, or we've heard stories that it doesn't pay out when we needed somebody to have money from that long-term care policy to pay for care, whether it be in the home or outside of the home. But the statistics say less than 10% of people buy it. So failing to pre-plan with long-term care is one of those big issues. A second big issue is we haven't saved enough money. See, if we haven't saved enough money and we have to pay for care on top of whatever income we might have, whether it's Social Security or pensions or other things that you might have as income sources, if we don't have enough resources and we have to pay for a high level of care inside or outside of the home, you can see how it would deplete the resources rather quickly. See, here in Colorado, the average cost of a nursing home is between $8,000 and $10,000 a month. How are you going to pay for that, right? That's a lot of money, especially if you're a single individual, or if you're a couple, that's a lot of money because you still have the cost for the other individual who may not need the care at this point. So if you haven't saved enough, it's going to be difficult to try to get enough money coming in from all of your income sources without vastly depleting those resources paying for your care. And the next one is something that we do here in our office. We don't sell long-term care. We don't tell people how to save their money, but there are specialized asset protection trusts that we can do here in our office that you can still remain in control of your assets, but you can start them down the road of being protected when and or if you fall ill or your spouse falls ill if you're married and you want to have these certain assets protected. See, it's never everything with these trusts though. A lot of people think, oh, I can't control it, I can't have access to it, I can't do this, I can't do that. With these types of trusts, and I'll talk more about these trusts in future video blogs, is you can remain in control, but you can start protecting what I like to say, that which you want to protect. What that really means is, what of your estate do you want to take off the books? What do you want to have set off to the side, remain in control of it, but it starts its journey toward protection from your long-term care risk. And then everything that you want to have direct access to or need direct access to, we don't put into that type of trust. We let you have access to it. And we realize that that might be at risk if you get sick and need long-term care. But we can even plan for that down the road as well so we can protect even more of your estate. So failing to pre-plan, and the three things that people fail to do are buy long-term care, save enough money, or they don't know about these specialized asset protection trusts. Those three things cause all kinds of issues for folks that are headed toward long-term care and potentially Medicaid. If you want to hear more about these other 9 mistakes that people make, please tune into our channel on YouTube, or you can go to our website, www.skiptonlaw.com, and you can find this video and other videos on other topics there as well. Or if you want to sign up for one of our workshops, so we do 2 workshops a month that are completely free. If you want to sign up for one of those, you can again go to our website at skiptonlaw.com, or you can call our office at 720-440-2774, and we'll get you signed up that way as well. So I look forward to seeing you again here soon, and please subscribe to our channel if you like this content. Have a great day.